we introduce a new bodily experience that we call co-embodiment. Two users can be embodied in the same avatar for which they share the control. We explore in our paper the following question: how sharing the control of an avatar can influence users' perception and actions in virtual reality. In order to assess this question, we conducted an experiment where two users were immersed in a virtual environment and shared the control of the same avatar. The control was shared by averaging between position and orientation of both users' controllers. The weight of control could vary between 0 and 100. The experiment was divided in 3 phases: a first exposure phase, the main experiment phase, and a last exposure phase. The exposure phase was done at the beginning to get used to the shared body control in the experiment environment. We also used it to assess some baselines regarding agency and ownership ratings. It was divided in 2 blocks: either users had full control over their own avatar, or they both had half control over the shared avatar. Main experiment phase contained 3 different tasks that all consisted in touching a sphere among 4 with the tip of a virtual controller. In the free task, users had to choose among 4 spheres which one they wanted to touch with their controller. In target task, users had to touch the highlighted sphere with their controller. In trajectory task, users had to touch the highlighted sphere with their controller, and try to follow as much as possible the line from the table until the sphere, with the tip of their controller. After each trial, users would answer this question using their controller: how much did you feel in control during this trial? Taken together, our results suggest that virtual co-embodiment can still elicit a feeling of control over a shared virtual body, and that motor actions performed in such a context resemble the ones performed with a non-shared virtual body.